Morning everybody. Actually no, it's not morning, it is afternoon. So good afternoon everyone. I am headed to Magnate today and then to the beach. So yeah, I took a really long time to get up this morning because I was tired from the past couple of days. So it is now 2 p.m. So yeah, I better get going because like even though it's only two places, from here to Magnate is around 30 minutes plus, and then from Magnate to the beach is around an hour 20 minutes. So yeah, it's gonna take a while. I'm taking a bus, so let's get going.
와 바다다. 와 바다다. 진짜 예뻐.
How to get back up like there because it's like fenced up around, but I'm gonna walk back to where I was from initially. I guess that's the only way to get back up because I don't want it to get dark and then I can't see where I'm going. Also, like, the sand has like a lot of shells, so I'm not sure whether I'm stepping on any homes. But yeah, so pretty. Oop, oop. Okay, I found the stairs. Let's go. I don't want to leave this place. Look at it. So pretty. To find food right now. There's a lot of shops, but yeah, I'm trying to find one where it isn't crowded or closing soon. Ooh, some of the arrows are confusing. I'm trying to find the rooftop one, but I don't think it's at the back. Is it? No. Is it not? Oh. Yeah, I don't know where the food is, because like every entrance doesn't have like a menu, and then, you know, when I walk past there's like people eating inside, but no one actually mending the counter, I guess. So yeah, I guess it's harder if like you're alone here, because I don't know, this is like the sashimi town or something, but can't see like a restaurant or place that is open and inviting. I guess that's the word. No one's fault actually, it's just me like not being able to go in and ask like, hey, are you guys open? So yeah, I'm gonna just go walk to some other place to find something to eat, I guess. But also there's a crane. Let me show you. Crane. Hello. What are you doing there? It's walking. No, it's not. That's the water. Oh, I forgot to zoom out. The crane is standing on something though. Not sure what it is. Is it a tube? Oh, I can't see, but yeah, it's definitely standing on something. Okay, let's go see what I can eat. Oh, there's nothing else in this area. Should I walk back? Okay, I am heading back to the main area because I think I'm far out into like the wharf area where they do all their fishing. So I'm gonna go back to where like all the restaurants are, but not at the sashimi street, but more the main area, I guess. Let's go find food. Why is it so hard for me to find food, honestly? Hey girl. Hey girl. Alright, honestly though, I wish I didn't have like this anxiety in like eating alone or asking people questions, but yeah, it's because of that I can't even find food. I am back in the apartment and today was such a short yet very beautiful day. But yeah, the only reason why it felt so long was because of the journey there, and then the journey coming back. It was about an hour plus, close to 2 hours. But honestly, the view made up for it. Like, it was just so pretty, even though like it was so cold and the wind was just the wind was crazy. But just standing there and watching the sun slowly set over the mountains and over the ocean was just, it was breathtaking. So yeah, I honestly would recommend everyone who comes to Busan to go over to the Dadaepo Beach. Did I butcher the name? Dadaepo Beach? But yeah, honestly recommend anyone to just go there. Worth it, super worth it. Plus they have like swings around the eco park area, and also if you're hungry you can just head down to the town area to get some like sashimi or like grilled seafood, even though I didn't get a chance. So I am also gonna be heading back to Magnate tomorrow because even though I was there today, I forgot to ask Jimin's father for his autograph, and like I brought my merch and everything for him to sign and I actually forgot. So yeah, I'm hoping he's there again tomorrow, but even if he isn't, I'm gonna try the coffee and pastries there because they were closed today. So yeah, I am going to make my way downstairs right now and just go on a bit of a walk before tomorrow, my last day. I just really love Busan so much. Like, it is so chill over here, and especially with the weather, and you know, taking the bus everywhere to me was just, it was amazing because I love taking the bus, and it was so convenient to like get around places, even though it was like an hour plus, but definitely worth it. Oh, before I go, let me show you guys. There's like this thing where for the last time, you guys can look at this. They have this thing where they're showing like the drone show that they had. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I am going to go down now, and also I won't be bringing my camera because I really want to soak in all that is Gwangali Beach and Busan on my last day here. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow when I head back to Seoul. So yeah, good night.